Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do another weekend vlog. I wanted to try and just capture some of the things that we're doing. We're still on lockdown, although things are starting to ease slowly. So I thought I'd come on and sort of tell you what we've been up to. The first thing that I just wanted to share that hello. is that I have already put a piece of gammon in the slow cooker this morning. I tend to cook a piece of meat, I think I've said it plenty of times on my channel, I tend to cook a piece of meat at the weekend and then try and make it last for as long as possible during the week. And I have got such a simple recipe that I'm using at the moment. All it is that I take the gammon ham and I put it into the slow cooker completely dry, and I just drizzle it with maple syrup.
Is it salmon?
No, gammon. It's like ham. It'll be yummy, pulled ham. That's how it ends up.
Salmon.
I like salmon. And anyway, then I cook it on medium for about 4 hours. Well, I'll probably just have it on all morning. I usually turn it over once, drizzle a tiny bit more maple syrup over it, and then it comes out, and fairly quickly after I take it out of the slow cooker, I then use 2 forks and break it up into pulled ham. So I'll be cooking that today. I also want to get out into the garden. I'm in scruffs yet again because
making carrot cake.
Yes, I'm in scruffs because I need to go and do some clearing up of some of the leaves and grass that's outside on the drive, but I want to do some bits in the garden. I want to do a little bit of planting, and Emily wants to make a carrot cake. We had a go at cooking a carrot. You don't need that on, it's boiling. We had a go at cooking a carrot cake in the week and it didn't go that well. It was awful, and I honestly don't think it's us, but I think there's something wrong with the recipe because it had no fat in it. But anyway, it was not nice. So we thought we'd have another go and make another one.
I liked it a bit.
It just got harder and harder as it cooled down. Not good. So we're gonna cook another carrot cake
and maybe some rocky road.
And then we are going to go for a nice walk in the countryside later on. I also wanted to show you at the moment the garden. I just wanted to capture this for us really, because it's just at a really sort of beautiful point where everything's blooming, isn't it? So I'm just going to take you.
Amazing.
I know. I'm just going to take you just down the flower bed. Just want to show you.
They only do 5 for 5 days.
Oh, I know what she's talking about. The peonies have come out and they are my most favourite flower. I totally love them, but they're so short-lived. They only last for about, I don't know, 5 days, maybe a week maximum. Oh, they're so beautiful. I love them. So I just definitely want to capture those on here. So yes, that's going to be our quiet weekend, but still staying really productive. Yeah?
Yeah.
These are the peonies that are my absolute favourite.
Absolutely amazing.
Love them. I love them also when they're just about to come out. So beautiful. Look, there's a bee. Can you see? The bee just went in. Can you see it, Emily?
Yeah.
And inside. Look, he's busy. Goodness me. Wow. Wow. Anyway, so that's the peonies.
Look.
Hang on. These got like a rose come out, which another one that's lovely. I don't know if we know what these are. They're beautiful.
They grow by themselves.
Yeah, they self-seeded all over the place this year, haven't they?
Hi. My name.
They're actually really nice, and I like the height of them. This is an echinacea that's coming out. And then I absolutely love the clematis, but I've got 2 types. I've got the white clematis, but also this. Look at this one, Emily. Really beautiful burgundy clematis that's coming through.
There's more snapdragons.
Tons of these. Yeah, there's a plant here that I don't know what it is. I'm going to look it up, but I love it. It's so beautiful, and I've got lots of them in the garden.
This rose.
Oh yeah, now one of the things I wanted to do was grow a rose through the clematis, and I feel like I'm starting to achieve that now. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so beautiful. Can you get your nose in there to sniff that one? I have to try. I've got another clematis, beautiful purple clematis.
Nice pinky white.
And the pinky white rose, another
More
rose.
snapdragons.
Tons and tons of them, but I do love them. I think this is like a panthus, which I really like as well.
We've got flowers growing into them.
Yes, this one. I've actually got the roses are growing up through this plant, and I absolutely love the way that looks. This was a variegated Choicea tenata, but you can see that it's starting to go green, but I still really love it. So we're going to have a go at making this carrot cake. Emily has already made a start. We've got all of the ingredients out. I just wanted to show you what recipe that I'm using. And it's from the BBC Good Food website, and it is carrot cake tray bake. We're actually not going to put the icing on because neither of my kids like icing. So we're just gonna do it plain. I might put some sprinkle some icing sugar on it or something. It's really simple. It's got 5-star rating. Says it's easy. So yeah, all the ingredients are on there. So I will link it in the description box.
Squirrel Napkin. Hi, my name's Squirrel Napkin. Today we're making carrot cake. I'm used for a spatula. I'm gonna smooth it out.
Woohoo! Well done, Emily.
Done the cake. Then you got the bottom. Good the top.
Emily? I've cut the cake.
Mummy, my tray. Oh, guess what the prize was? Guess what the prize was?
Cuddle.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's just say it's nicer than the one you cooked before. Cool, it's nice. Was that the one you were eating? Yeah. while we were out on our walk, Emily picked some wild garlic and she's actually cutting it up now for our tea, which I'm just about to start cooking, and it is such a simple tea.
It's our favourite.
It is a big family favourite, and they call it Mum's famous pasta. It's so simple. So it's made with red peppers, garlic, so we thought we'd add the wild garlic as well. I put in mushrooms, red pesto, barbecue sauce, and then creme fraiche to make the sauce and mix it with pasta. And it is so simple, so quick, and it is delicious. And that is the finished dish, Mum's famous pasta. You have got to try it and let me know if you do. Go.
We're still recording.
I don't know, don't matter.
You're going to put in a video. Hi!
Right.